Welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I am going to prepare the famous Parsi cuisine Patraani Macchi. This is almost like our Bengali fish paturi, but here we are not using that mustard paste and something like that. So I am using the pomfret fish for that. I have two big pomfret fishes, and what else the spices I am using, let me show you. First of all, I have mint leaves. I'm using this paste. The mint leaf I'm using for that, and then I have grated coconut, and then I have the cumin, and then this the cumin I will make a paste, and then salt to taste, and then garlic or lasoon, and then green chili, and this is vinegar that is optional, but I love it, so I'm using it. And then I have this lemon, I will use the whole, and then lots of fresh coriander. So, and I'm using will steam this in this bamboo steamer. I love to use this bamboo steamer. If you don't have this bamboo steamer, you can do it with the Momo Maker as well. And now I am going to make a paste with this. I am not using the vinegar, I am using everything except that vinegar. I will marinate the fish with vinegar and salt for 5 minutes because pomfret is a very soft fish, so I'm not going to marinate for a long time. And now my green paste is done, so I'm going to marinate this fish with the green paste for 10 minutes maximum. So let me rub it properly, and when I'm going I will do the wrap with banana leaf. I will make a thick bed with this paste, so I'm rubbing this and cover it very well. The both side I need to cover it very well. And I'm going to place these fishes. Already I wrapped it in banana leaf, so I'm putting this inside this. That will be a steam. Once I will steam it for 5 to 6 minutes one side, and after that I will do the another side. Let me check if it's done or not. So I think it's done. As I said, it's a very soft fish and already marinated with vinegar and lemon juice, so it's done. And now I have to flip it so that another side will be done. So flip it for another 5 minutes and cover it, and then have to wait for 5 minutes more. Always boil or steam this in a simmer heat, in a lower heat. And let me check again. I can see the color of the banana leaf, it is changing. So this is done, this is almost done. And for the safe side I will cover it for 1 or 2 minutes with the that bamboo leaf, and then it will be ready to serve. So the fish is already done, and I just place another fish that is also going to be prepared very soon. So let me show you the fish. And now the Patraani Macchi is already done, and I will serve this with plain rice. This has a tangy taste. The lemon and the vinegar, that is increasing the tangy taste, and the taste of the coconut is there, so there will be a very nice taste and the smell of a banana leaf. So I am going to enjoy this Patraani Macchi. You just prepare this Patrani Macchi and have it with plain rice, and that is amazing. And subscribe my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu for more recipe and give me the feedback.